Hi everyone, my name is Yslen González and today I'm going to teach you how to create a blog. In case you don't know what a blog is, it is a kind of space where you can publish about anything you want in entries or posts that are typically displayed in reverse chronological order. It means that the most recent post appears first. It's like a web page but simpler and more personal. There are infinity of blogs which talk about books, photography, traveling, TV series, cars, and many other topics. So, if you want to learn how to create a blog or you only want to learn more about this, let's start with the tutorial. Hope you like it! In this case, I will use Blogger, a page where you can create a blog. It is managed by Google, so you will need a Gmail account in order to use it. You have to log in with your Gmail account and then this page will appear. You have to choose between a Google Plus profile and a Blogger profile. You can change it later, so let's choose Blogger profile. You have to choose a display name. This page will show up. You have to choose a title, something easy to remember so people will visit it later. Then you have to choose an address. You have to make sure that the address is available. Now you have to choose a template for your design. You have these templates to choose for. If you know nothing about programming, then I recommend you to choose between the personalized ones. But if you're willing to learn some basic things, then choose the simple one and click on Create Blog. This page will appear next. Maybe you get confused with everything at first, but I'm going to teach you some useful tips. First, we need to change the design, because obviously you will not like it this way. So, we click on Design up here, or you can change it here on Template. It's the same. Look. And we click on Customize. We can change the principal design, the background colors, the size of the blog, and the sidebar, the layout, and in advanced you can change the font, the color, the date header, the gadgets, the images, and many other things. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets and is a computer language that expresses the presentation of structured documents. Blogger uses it for programming some specific actions for the template. Let's imagine that we already did the changes we want. We click on Apply to Blog and then back to Blogger. We go to Layout, and in the sidebar, in here, you can choose the gadgets you want. For example, blog archive, an image, text, popular posts, the search box, the blog stats, video bar, followed by email. In more gadgets, we have other options, and one of them principal gadgets. The followers. We click on the plus button if we want to have the gadget, and in some cases you have to edit something. For example, instead of followers, you can write follow us in here, or whatever you want. We save, and you can move the gadgets whatever you want. You can put it here and that one in here, and at the end you can add a copyright. So, you have the followers gadget in here, about you, and the copyright. We save it. Now that we have a main design, you can write your first post in here. It's really simple. Just make sure that you write in compose and not in HTML, or you will get confused. For example, look, you can change the font, the size, you can add images or videos, links, here is for codes. The best thing about this is that you can assign a schedule for publishing a post in here. So if you don't have time, you can program posts and that's it. It's very useful. You can also add labels, so it is easier to look for specific topics. It is more organized too. You can preview it here. Or you can save it and then publish it. And now we have our first post. Talking about how to make a better design will take hours, and maybe I can explain it all in 5 minutes. So I'm just going to show you how a blog with some changes and a lot of specific codes looks like. Here's my personal blog in which I talk about books and things related to that topic. I made a drop-down menu, and this is the HTML. There's also a personal gadget for the social networks. This is a special gadget in which the images moves. It's incredible and it saves a lot of space. Here's the copyright. And in this corner, I have a picture of a butterfly which brings you up to the beginning. Look. This is the HTML for the butterfly. This is what I had to edit in order to have that. Here is the scroll down menu. Look, it's not that simple as you think. And finally, if you want to follow a blog, you just have to click on join this site in the sidebar or wherever the followers gadget is, and then use your account. And that's it. I don't understand why people say it's difficult. You click on done and that's it. Well, we ran out of time, but maybe someday I can teach you many other things. These are some examples about some blogs. I really enjoyed making this tutorial and I hope you find it useful. So if you like it, let me know in the comments below and see you. Bye!